A divination was performed for the 16 kings and Orúnmìlà. Agila Awo, and Opa Gila Awo cast Ifa divination for Alade Merindilogun, the 16 kings, and for Orúnmìlà. Ifa predicted the arrival of foreigners who would fight against one another. However, they were warned to make sacrifices to ensure peace after the departure of the foreigners. The sacrifice: 16 slugs, 2 goats, and money. Orúnmìlà was the only one who made the sacrifice. When the foreigners arrived, they entered the house of Alara and began attacking people. Alara expelled them. The foreigners then went to the house of Ajero and to the homes of the 14 remaining kings. Each of them expelled the foreigners, but when they arrived at the house of Orúnmìlà and started attacking everyone, Orúnmìlà tried to pacify them. Instead, they started fighting among themselves. Coins and precious stones fell from these fights, and Orúnmìlà was very busy collecting the coins, gemstones, and jewelry. The fighting among the foreigners continued for 4 days, while the house of Orúnmìlà filled with wealth and valuable things. Peace eventually returned to the land of Yekulogbe. The names of the 16 principal kings are Olovu, Olubini, Alara, Ajero, Orangun, Ewi, Alafin, Yo, Iwore, Elepe, Oba Adada, Ala Ajogun, Lu Yinbo, Lu Sabe, Olowo, Lu Tapa, and Oloko Senle. The kings had wealth and valuable things, but they lacked peace. Only Orúnmìlà, who made the sacrifice, had absolute peace. This is why all kings must have Babalawo as diviners, so they can warn them, especially when they are facing problems or difficulties.